Working capital. Working capital refers to that part of a firm capital which is required for financing short-term or current assets such as cash, debtors, and inventories funds. Thus, invested in a current assets keep revolving, are constantly converted into cash, and this cash flow out again in exchange for other current assets. Working capital is also known as a revolving or circulating capital to short-term capital. Circulating capital means current asset of company that are changed in the ordinary course of business from one form to another, such for example from cash to inventories to receivables to cash. Second is need of working capital. As profit earned depends upon magnitude of sales and they do not convert into cash instantly. Thus, there is a need of working capital in the form of a CA, so as to deal with the problem arising from lack of a immediate realization of a cash against goods sold. This is refers to as operating or cash cycle. It is defined as the continuing flow from cash to suppliers to inventory to accounts receivable and a hack into cash. So, why working capital? The firm has to maintain cash balance to pay the bills as they come due. In addition, the company must invest in inventories to fill customers' orders promptly. And finally, the company invests in accounts receivable to extend credit to customers' operating cycles is equals to the length of the inventory and receivable conversion periods. Concept of working capital. There are two concepts, gross working capital and net working capital. First one is gross working capital. Total current assets, where current assets are the assets that can be converted into cash within an accounting year and include cash, debtors, etc. Refers as economic concepts, since assets are employed to derive a rate of return. Second is net working capital, CACL. It indicates liquidity position of the firm. It suggests the extent to which working capital need may be financed. Constituent of working capital. Current assets, which includes inventory, sundry debtors, cash and bank balance, loan and advances. Current liability includes sundry creditors, short-term loans, provisions, etc. Inadequate working capital. Stagnant growth, difficult to implement operating plans, reduction in operating efficiency. Fixed assets cannot be utilized efficiently. Bank will hesitate in extending credit. Affects the goodwill of the firm. Classification of working capital on the basis of time, permanent and temporary of variable. Thank you.